Hi there, go ahead and get your journal out and go to Appearance. It's on page 2. Okay, give you just a little bit of time to go ahead and get that out. But I'm going to help you draw an elephant. We're going to do our best. All right, if you're still trying to get your journal out, pause the video. But if you're ready, we're going to go ahead and get started. So, we're going to do step by step. We're going to do our best. Go ahead and draw that. Copy that. And if I ever go too quickly, just pause the video, okay? Step by step for this little elephant. All right, next part is draw a line. A little bit there. Okay, this is what you should have. Notice this isn't very high, it's kind of low. All right, next step is we're going to make little feet. Make an M. So it's kind of like you made this little hill, smaller hill, little M's. All right. It's time for ears. Just do your best on the ears. They kind of remind me of butterfly wings a little bit. Or kind of like a messy 3 and then a backwards 3. All right, let's go ahead and now draw the eyes. Remember, you can always pause the video. Now we're going to draw the trunk. Color that in. And then a little mouth. Draw some hair up there if you want. Okay, and this is my elephant. Okay, you can, if you don't think it looks like an elephant, that's fine. You can always, if you have a different way of drawing an elephant or you just want to do your own, that's fine. I just thought I'd try to help you. But what you're going to do next is you are going to get these words and find my marker. You are going to use these words that I'm putting right here and label your elephant. So we are going to use the word, oh, you know what I forgot? I forgot the tusk. Just do your best on the tusk, okay? All right. While you're finishing drawing up, I'm going to write these words. Tusk. Trunk. Ears. Feet. Eyes. Okay? Eyes. Use it, get this word eyes and make a label pointing to the eyes. Get tusk, write it near the tusk, and do a label, a line. Trunk, for example, watch. For feet, I'm going to have a little arrow pointing to the feet. And then you can just do a little check mark by feet. And then ears. Look for the ears. Do a little arrow pointing down to ears. Do a check mark. Then find the trunk. do that, okay? You do not need to copy this. I will have this a little picture of this on the next slide if you need to copy it. But I want your elephant to have labels, okay? All right.